how to start recording in Google Meet. So first go to Google Meet and then just open up snipping tool here on your computer. Okay, like this one. Click on that. Then here you can just click on this video recorder icon here. Okay, and then click on new. And then here just choose the screen or that part of the screen that you want to record. Okay, now before you start, click on start at the top. You make sure to unmute your mic and choose your mic here. Then make sure that your system audio is not muted. Okay, so if it's muted, it looks like this. If it's unmuted, it looks like this. Okay, so next is click on start, and then now you can see a countdown here, and then it'll start recording it. So if you want to stop the recording, you can just click on stop here at the top, and then you can play a recording here. So I'm just going to show you. It'll start recording it. So if you want, okay, as you can see now, if you want to save this, you can just click on this icon here, click on that, and then you can just name your file, and that's it. Okay, so if you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. See you in the next one.